Forex Trend Detector is an expert advisor that automatically executes and manages trades. It claims to be incredibly precise, accurate, and profitable. According to its developers, the EA is the only one in the market that is used by professional traders and money managers. They state further that this system is all traders need to accelerate their journey to financial independence. The software claims to have a sophisticated drawdown compensating algorithm that helps in protecting traders' accounts in case of a rapid drawdown. Most developers of these robots usually come up with all sorts of interesting features just to enable them to make a sale. As a trader, what is it that would protect your account from a quick drawdown, if not proper risk management elements like the use of stop loss and small lot size? Forex Trend Detector. To trust or not to trust, the EA works in such a way that it recognizes when a volatile market trend is about to end. It identifies the volatility borders bracketing the dominant market trend. It pays attention to situations where the volatility borders occur near important market levels. Then it sets trades to execute based on predicted price levels that capitalize on market readjustments when the volatility breakout occurs. We cannot trust this EA. The strategy it uses to trade the markets is complicated. Nobody wants to give a system access to trade their accounts with no clue on what's happening. Features: the software trades on a 5-minute time frame on both MT4 and MT5 platforms. It uses a trend reversal strategy, where it recognizes when the market trend is about to end and capitalizes on the next market movement after a breakout confirmation. The system costs $297. However, it's currently going for a discounted price of $187. The package comes with the following: 1 live and 2 demo accounts, a detailed user guide, support, lifetime updates, access to the private members area. The EA has a risk meter that tells the traders how much their accounts are exposed. Its developer offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. Other features of the EA include: the trading tool has a high slippage protection. It has a high spread protection. The software has a profit protection system. The EA has a dynamic trading logic. It doesn't require optimization. Has a visual risk indication system. The robot has an advanced time management mechanism. The system has a tight stop loss levels. The expert advisor has efficient money management. It has a drawdown compensation algorithm. Trading results: from the backtest report shown on the screenshot below, we can see that the robot ran on this account from September 1, 2010 to July 21, 2020. It made a profit of $320,223.60 from a deposit of $5,000 in 2262 trades. Its winning percentage was 71.35%, when the maximum drawdown was 4.33%. It had a profit factor of 2.3. It used a fixed lot size, and some trades had no stop loss and take profit targets in place. This already disqualifies one of its main features, where the developer states that the EA uses tight stop loss to minimize losses. Vendor transparency: the vendor for this EA is Activator, a Forex platform that offers automated trading solutions. Its products are mainly robots and indicators. For any questions and inquiries regarding the software, traders can get in touch by filling the contact form that is available on the website. The developers also recommend that traders can check out the facts page first before submitting their questions, as they may find the answers they are looking for there.